What are the top 5 things every luxury buyer looks for in a home? I'll be sharing that and tips about what to spend money on when improving or renovating your luxury home. And if you're new here and you want to see videos just like this in your feed more often and to get notified when we publish content like this, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and the bell next to it to get those notifications. Whether you're prepping your home for sale or trying to decide what to update, understanding the wish list of today's luxury buyers will help you make the right decisions. So here are my top 5 priorities in no particular order. 1, beautiful outdoor space. Having outdoor space that is attractive for entertaining is key. Thoughtful landscaping that blooms at different times throughout the year, screened-in porches, outdoor fireplaces, and a sports court are essential amenities for a luxury buyer. Over the $2 million price point, a gunite pool or room for a pool is almost a requirement. Number 2, room to entertain and good flow. The luxury buyer wants a home that can gracefully meet the demands of their busy life. Spacious kitchens with plentiful cabinets and large capacity refrigerators, ample dining space for large parties, primary bedrooms with room for a sitting area and dual closets, a dedicated fitness and/or movie room, and a dedicated home office. And spacious, easily accessible storage should be at the top of the list. Number 3, street appeal. As practical as a home is, it is still an emotional experience. The first look at a home should be impactful and positive. Circular driveways, a porte-cochere, wood or iron windows and double entry doors, exterior gate, and decorative fencing, mature trees, and well-manicured landscaping. Number 4, maintenance. Home maintenance isn't the sexiest thing on the list, but it may be one of the most important. A luxury buyer does not want to inherit hidden defects and unaddressed problems. Any water intrusion issues, rotting wood, HVAC maintenance, wet crawl spaces, or items that are at the end of their lifespan should be repaired or replaced. Number 5, value. Regardless of their ability, every luxury buyer wants to know they are making a wise financial decision. When deciding whether to update, choose quality materials, not just quick fix lipstick level finishes. If you need to sell and don't want to renovate, price accordingly. The luxury buyer needs to support their buying decision with numbers and facts, so be intentional with your decisions. If you want to see a luxury home that is the epitome of all of these items, be sure to catch this month's Luxe Home Tour. This one is going to knock your socks off. Also, if there is a luxury item I missed today, I would love to hear about it, so feel free to tell me in the comments. Thanks, and see you next week.